So there are lots of discussions happening in sport and Tahir Bhai is with us today. How are you, Tahir Bhai?
May good Akib, God is too kind. What about you?
I'm doing well, Tahir Bhai, alhamdulillah. And Tahir Bhai, what do you say about this match? Especially Babbar Sher particularly failed to perform as well today in the match. Regardless, no one else performed with the bat as well.
Akib, if I do dissection of today's Pakistani batting line, you are absolutely right. Despite Fakhr and you are forgetting other big name Abrar. Despite these two players, none of them have even shown courage to stay on the team for a longer run and contribute at least 30-40 run for the team. If I think Akib, whole of the player even could contribute 30-40 run, we could easily be managed to go close to the target. But unfortunately, I apologize to the all cricket fans through the platform of sports. Yes, that it is our negligence. It is not the team which we were supposed to play on this, because Akib, big tournament coming ahead, and in this small try series we struggled a lot to defend this 330 total. Even in the era, teams are defending the total of 400 as well. So it's our tough luck, Akib.
And Tahir Bhai, what do you say that Babbar Sher is failing to get runs, even though they're trying him in the opening slot as well? Why is he? Is he under pressure? You saw yesterday the fans were showing him a lot of love, Babbar, and he's not performing.
Akib, I already mentioned that fan loves a player until unless he performs. If he not perform, fan him, troll him very badly. They will remember him in very bad sense. So I think Akib, from today's match, it is clear that Babbar is no more built for the opening. Here, Rizwan should start and lead from the front, like Graham Smith, Fleming, and other successful captains have been included in the past. So I think Rizwan should be replaced by the Babbar in open, and Babbar should immediately be sacked off the team. I repeat, sacked off the team. It is for the good sake of Babbar. It will be helpful for him. He should go out of the team and should play some first class or another league, so he could come back with a better preparation.
And lastly, Tahir Bhai, before we conclude, I saw the poor bowling effort shown by the Pakistanis. What do you think will the combination be in the next match? Rana Fahim Ashraf will come back in the team, Tahir Bhai.
Akib, here would like to add Urdu few words. मुस्कुराने की बात करते हो, दिल जलाने की बात करते हो. So Akib, I rarely miss here Fahim Ashraf. He was far better than Shaheen and so-called Naseem as well.
Khushdil
as well. So Akib, I think Naseem and Shaheen immediately sacked out of the team, and at least Rana Fahim Ashraf is the dire need of the time, because he's already under pressure and he is eager to perform very well. So he should be bring back into the team, and Shaheen and Naseem should sack immediately, and there should be one more spinner badly needed to be in our team. Have you seen the bowling of the New Zealand? How good ball was spinning and breaking by them, their batsmen as well. So I think there should be there is a room of one more spinner who could assist Ibrar Ahmed adjacent to him, because Akib, until unless we want a couple of spinner, it will be very difficult for us to even stay in this series as well.
And Tahir Bhai, Khushdil, Iftikhar and all of these players, Usman Khan as well, they perform well in league cricket and they come back into the team. They're known as big power hitters. Why they fail at international level?
That's Akib, that's the main thing of
with
your...
Iftikhar also.
Yeah, Akib, that's the issue of your morale and mentality. I think they took the pressure of international...
It's a huge gap.
It's a huge gap. And definitely, Akib, it's a reality and admitted fact. International matches have a huge pressure compared to the league matches, so that's why even same case was with MS Shahzad as well. He used to hit long sixes in the league matches of Pakistan, but whenever he came into the side for T20 or rather 50, he was failed badly. So that's the issue. It's just because of the pressure, and not everyone is built to handle the pressure of international matches.
Well, thank you so much for your time. Inshallah, tomorrow again we will try to have him in another video. So guys, that's it for this video. Like, share and subscribe to Sports. Yes, for more content like this. Till then, it's goodbye from me and Tahir Bhai. Take good care of yourself and Allah.